Hi students, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss cloud computing services, also known as cloud computing service models. So here we have three types of cloud computing service models. First one is SaaS. That means software as a service. The second type is PaaS. That means platform as a service. The third point here is IaaS. That stands for infrastructure as a service. Okay, so in this video we will discuss all these three types in details with the help of examples. So let's start. In many different business organizations, they use all or some of these components according to their requirements. Okay, so let's start with first point, that is SaaS, software as a service. It is a service provider that distributes software models in which applications are hosted by vendors or service providers. Okay, and made available to customer all over the network, or we can also say that all these can be accessed with the help of internet, right? Software as a service is becoming an increasingly prevalent delivery model as underlying technology that supports SOA. Here SOA means service oriented architecture, or we can also say that web services. Okay, through internet we can access all these services from anywhere in this world. SaaS is basically used nowadays, right? Traditionally, software applications needed to be purchased upfront and then installed in your computer system. Software as a service users, on the other hand, instead of purchasing the software, subscribes to it. Okay, subscribe to it and usually pay on monthly basis. Okay, and also anyone who needs an access to a particular piece of software can be subscribed as a user, whether it is one or two people or the complete organization, right? And many important tasks like accounting, sales, invoicing and planning, all can be performed with the help of software as a service model, right? This is all about software as a service. The next point here is platform as a service. Platform as a service is referred to as, and it provides a platform and environment. It provides platform and environment to allow developers to build applications. The main purpose of PaaS is to allow developers to build applications and services. This service is hosted in cloud and accessed by the user with the help of internet. Please remember this thing, whenever we are talking about cloud computing services, it is a must that you should have a good internet connection. Okay, to understand in a simple term, let's compare this with painting a picture, where you are provided with paint, colors, different paint brushes and paper by your school teachers, and you just have to draw a beautiful picture using those tools, right? PaaS service are constantly updated and new features are added. Okay, it provide platform to support application development. Please remember this point. The main purpose of platform as a service is to support application development. It also includes software support and management services, storage and network collaboration, testing, hosting and maintaining applications. All these are the main purpose of platform as a service structure. The next point here is IaaS. That stands for infrastructure as a service. Okay, it is one of the fundamental service model, also known as fundamental service model of cloud computing. Okay, it provides access to computing resources in virtualized environment. Okay, the cloud or internet. Virtual environment here means cloud or internet. It also provide computing infrastructure like virtual servers, network connection, load balancers and IP addresses. All these are the main functions of IaaS. Okay, the pool of hardware resources is extracted from multiple servers and networks usually distributed across numerous data centers. This provides redundancy. It provides redundancy and reliability to infrastructure as a service system. Okay, it is a complete package. Infrastructure as a service is a complete package for computing. For example, for large scale business who are looking for cutting cost on IT infrastructure as a service is one of the solutions. Okay, annually a lot of money is spent in maintenance and buying new components like hard drives, okay, like network servers, hard drives, etc., or storage, okay, which a business owner could have saved for others' expenses by using IaaS. So nowadays there is no need for a large organization to buy all these things. Okay, this is all about IaaS. I hope you like the video and thank you so much for watching it.